What's up guys, Frank Macaluso from Garageaholic giving you another episode of the N54 maintenance series. Today we're going to be doing a very easy one, and that is transmission bushings. Now these are basically just rubber bushings. We're going to be replacing the GS653BZ transmission bushings with a regular stock set. So these bushings are, as no surprise, a very stock set of rubber bushings. My customer wants a regular stock feel, and this is what this is going to be providing him. The old bushings actually looked fine, but this is a good preventative maintenance measure. Now, the thing that you need to notice when you're installing these bushings is that there is a nub on the one side of the bushing, and there's a push, and there's a protrusion on the other side. Now, if you look at the transmission bracket, you'll see that there's a nub on one side, and there is a, well, you'll see on the actual transmission itself. A GS653BZ attachment that bolts onto this. You'll see that there are two slots. These slots accommodate the protrusion. It actually allows you to install the actual bushings so that they don't turn, and that should match up with the nub that's on the transmission bracket. So the best thing to do here, make it easy for you, is to just thread these on. Just thread on these floating flange 13mm nuts and just slip it over with the nub facing backward. You'll notice that you do it backwards. If you put the nub first, it won't go all the way through, and that's not good, right? So you want to make sure the nub is back like that, back like that. And then we'll just tighten it up just a little bit. There we go, just enough so we can kind of move it around still, right? Actually, I won't even use the wrench this time. Now, we take our transmission bracket. Oh, the nubs are on the wrong side. Now what we need to do is rotate them that way. It fits right on in there. Perfect. Now we'll just take this guy and thread it on so that we can get the transmission mount back on. And then, well, actually we can just do it right now as is. Then we just lift up the transmission and start threading in the bolts. Just like that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll tighten the bottom ones here. And we'll tighten the top ones with our wrench. Excellent. Everything is sitting pretty. So guys, that's basically it. Just the two new rubber mounts. That's all you need to do. Yes, you do need to remove a lot in order to get to that. And there's information on that in my other videos. My other N54 maintenance series videos, I got about 20 to 25 of them, and I show you how to remove the exhaust and the drive shaft and everything else that you need in order to access just about anything you need to on your E90. So that's about it, guys. I mean, this was a really easy one. I didn't even think I should do a video on it, but I did it anyway just because I figured you guys might find some value in it. My name is Frank Macaluso from Garageaholic, and that's it. I mean, that's it for now. Stand by, there's more to come. Take it easy, guys. Thanks, later.